Hello, and welcome to this quick video on how to add your disco arms to your Marty. You'll need 4 M3 8mm screws, 4 bolts, the screwdriver that came with your Marty, and your disco arm add-ons. Open up the back of the head, take the top off, and remove the battery. We want to remove the arms by pressing in the clips and unplugging the wire from the port. It is also handy to take the faceplate off as well. Now the arm is off, we want to feed the cable through the slit in the arm and align the disco arm holes with the holes on the arm. Screw the screws in with the bolt on the back. I find the best way to do this is to slot the screw in and then to pop the bolt on the back. Once the add-on is firmly attached to the arm, you want to slot the add-on wire through a small hole here and pull the wire through. When clipping the arm back on, make sure no wires are snagged and the add-on wire is pulled towards Marty's face, or where Marty's face would be. In the case of the left disco arm, it is best to plug into the B6 port and reattach the arm wire into the left arm plug. Follow exact same steps for the right arm, but in this stage, attach it to B3 port. Once they are attached, re-add the faceplate, making sure to plug the eyes back in. Add the battery and close the head back up.